How to clean a smelly washing machine. A clean washing machine should leave you with nice smelling, pleasantly clean laundry. However, if your washing machine gets dirty, it can lead to foul or mildew-scented laundry over time. If your washing machine starts to smell, you should clean the machine itself. But you should also run some baking soda and vinegar through the machine. With a little bit of care and maintenance, you can keep your washing machine smelling nice all year long. What causes a smelly washing machine? We put our washing machines through a lot. Soap scum, hair, dirt, and body oils can easily become trapped in the gaskets, seals, and dispensers. Over time, these substances build up and start to smell bad. Both top-loading and front-loading washers can develop unpleasant odors. However, front loaders tend to get extra stinky. This is largely due to the rubber gasket on the machine's door. The gasket comes in handy to prevent leaks, but moisture from the water it collects can cause mold and mildew to develop. Another reason for the more pungent smells of front loaders is that dirt and scum may build up in larger amounts than in top loaders. This is because front-loading washers are designed to be high-efficiency, appliances, using less water than their top-loading counterparts. There isn't enough water during a cycle to wash detergent completely away unless a special HE-type detergent is used. If regular detergent is used, dirt and debris cling to it, creating a gunky, smelly residue. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to deodorizing with baking soda and vinegar, cleaning the exterior and gasket, and preventing unpleasant odors. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, bleach, wash rag, sponge, high-efficiency machine detergent, clean rags or paper towels, small cleaning brush or toothbrush, cotton swabs, pipe cleaners. Method 1. Deodorizing with baking soda and vinegar. Number 1. Make the cleaning solution. Mix together 1/4 59 ml of water and 1/4 59 ml of baking soda in a small bowl. Add the mixture to the washing machine's detergent container where you normally put the laundry detergent. Do not pour the mixture directly into the main cavity, the drum of the washing machine. Number 2. Add vinegar. Purchase some distilled white vinegar to help clean the inside of the washing machine. Pour 2 470 ml of the vinegar directly into the drum. Make sure nothing else is in the machine when you pour the vinegar inside. Number 3. Run the machine on a regular cycle. Once you have added the baking soda solution and the vinegar, run the machine on a regular cycle. Use a full cycle setting, not just a spin cycle or a rinse cycle. Run the machine on the warm or hot setting. Again, make sure you don't have any clothes or other laundry inside the machine while you run it. Otherwise, they will smell like vinegar when the cycle is done. Number 4. Wipe down the inside of the drum. Once you have finished running the machine with the vinegar and cleaning solution inside, wipe down the interior of the washing machine to help remove any remaining vinegar smell. Use a sponge to scrub the inside of the machine. Be sure to get into all of the nooks and crannies or the interior. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning the exterior and gasket. Number 1. Unplug the washing machine. Before you begin cleaning the washing machine, make sure the machine is completely powered off. Just to be on the safe side, you may want to consider unplugging the machine from the electrical outlet. Cleaning the machine while it is still on could create a dangerous situation for you or damage the machine. Number 2. Wipe down the outside surface. Accumulation of mold and mildew on the components of the washing machine is a major cause for unpleasant odor. Use a clean sponge or wash rag to wipe down the exterior surface of the machine. Make a mixture of 1 240 ml warm water and 1 tablespoon of bleach and dip the sponge in it. Be sure to wring out any excess water before you begin scrubbing. You should wear rubber gloves anytime you are handling bleach cleaning solution. Try to get the bleach cleaner in all of the cracks and crannies of the washing machine. You can use a Q-tip dipped in the bleach water solution to get into really hard to reach areas. Number 3. Clean the gasket and seal. Get rid of any dirt or grime from the washing machine gasket and the seal at the opening of the machine. Remove the gasket and use a damp cloth or paper towel to scrub away any residue. You can also add a tiny bit of bleach cleaning solution to warm water and use this to clean it. A dirty seal is one of the biggest problems that leads to odor in washing machines. Cleaning this regularly can really help a lot. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Preventing unpleasant odors. Number 1. Wipe down the interior surfaces of the washing machine regularly. If you leave your washing machine untouched, it can start to get smelly over time. A good preventative measure is to wipe down the interior surfaces on a regular basis to avoid buildups of grime and residue. Use a warm washcloth to wipe down the interior. Be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. You can also use a bit of vinegar to help sanitize the inside of your washing machine. Number 2. Sterilize with bleach. Add 470 ml of bleach to the detergent container on your washing machine. Run the empty laundry machine on a hot cycle, but stop the machine as soon as the water starts swishing around. You can usually stop the machine by pressing pause, pulling out the knob, or using another method indicated in the instruction manual. Let the hot water and bleach sit in the washing machine for approximately 30 minutes. Then finish running the load so the remaining traces of bleach are removed. Make sure you rinse out the bleach thoroughly before using the washing machine again. If there is any remaining bleach, it could possibly stain your laundry or anything else it comes into contact with. Number 3. Use detergents made for high-efficiency machines. Laundry detergents that are made for use in high-efficiency washing machines are better at maintaining cleanliness, because they produce fewer suds during the cleaning process than regular detergents. This means that some of the excess particles may not get rinsed out of your clothes or your washing machine. Using the high-efficiency detergent on a daily basis will help keep your machine fresher longer, and will allow you to clean your washing machine less frequently. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. How to keep your washer from getting so smelly. 1. After each load, wipe down the inside of your washer to remove moisture from every nook and cranny. Pay special attention to the rubber seal around the door. 2. Use high-efficiency, heat detergents. If your machine is a high-efficiency appliance, especially front-load washers, heat detergents help minimize soap scum build-up. 3. Clean out your gasket seal on occasion. The gasket is the most likely suspect for washing machine smells. Cleaning and sanitizing it are vital to keeping your clothes and laundry room fresh. 4. Use the auto wash feature. Washer machines offer an auto wash function to help prevent just this from happening. Run an auto wash every few months to keep it running at an optimal level. 5. Leave the door open whenever the washer is not in use to let the inside of the washer air dry. 6. Regularly remove the detergent dispenser and wash out lingering detergent residue with soap and water. 7. Wipe down the outside of your washer with a cloth and multi-purpose cleaner to prevent dust and dirt from getting inside your washer. Tips. If you have a twin tub washing machine, you can clean it easily with a towel and vinegar. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.